Hello everybody and welcome to Good Friday. Today we have a unboxing from Temu. Yes, that's right. And would you believe this only cost me 34 pence? I could not believe it. While I was browsing on the app, an offer came up and it said grab this 30 times 30 for 34p. So I jumped at the chance to get it. Quite often, if you haven't shopped with Temu for a while, they sort of pick up on it and then they'll offer you offers to entice you back. So it's only the one counter here today, and inside here we have a special. Now this is going to be on my May thing next month, and yeah, we've got a special because I'm starting to look for flowers, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I'm looking for flowers now because obviously I do the flowers in May as part of the Chelsea Flower Show. And oh look, this even comes with a little vase. I do apologise, I have some hiccups at the moment. So yeah, there inside here, look at this. Oh yes, look at that. Oh wow, that is, oh it's very sort of summery. Sorry, I've got hiccups because I've been rushing back. I had to post a parcel in town and I'm trying to get back early because the Easter film Hop, if you've never heard that, watch that one. It's the one that goes, I want candy, I want candy. Well, ITV2 have put it on today, and it means we won't have to pay for it with Prime, because I checked Prime, they want you to buy and rent it. So yeah, I want to kind of watch that. So yeah, I'm rushed back here. Thought I'll quickly do this and then we should be able to watch it. Okay, lovely. So in here, stick is not that great. Could be a little bit more. Yeah, it's a little bit weak in areas, but this is going to be a stunning little bouquet of flowers. I mean, there's so much going on, isn't there? We've got these yellow ones really feel like very Eastery, and in some ways it could be an Easter painting, because yellow sort of is resemblance. Do you know, I tried to get daffodils and they're all sold out. Couldn't believe it. Tried to get some today and it sold out. Yesterday was sold out, so I don't know if I'll have any this year. I always put them out for Easter, but as you can see, we've got some tulips there. I think that's a thistle thing, very similar to the one that I worked on in that butterfly. If you look at my March completions video, you'll see like a little thistle thing. And then down here, I don't think I've ever done flowers with a vase before, so this is really beautiful, and I'm not entirely sure what that is. What's that supposed to be? Is this like a tablecloth and they've fluffed it up a bit? Doesn't look like a leaf. What is that? Does anyone know what that could be? And then we've got some petals that have dropped off. They're always doing some paintings, always, you know, give you some petals that dropped off. Why? Let's get into the drills. But yeah, that's gonna be my first made thing. Okay. So let's have a look at the drills, and already they look really lovely. Oh wow, look at these sparkle and shine people. Oh yes! Oh my god! I love these ones. These don't crop up very often, but these are little flower rosettes. So they're gonna be all centered where this C one is. You see? So yeah, oh my god, look at these. Oh, there's some gorgeous colours in this. Wow, look at that. So we've got the yellow, we've got the silver. I don't think I've ever had an orange teardrop before. These are beautiful drills. Wow. Oh my god, look, they just get more and more colourful. We've got lilac, got a minty one, a silver mini sort of teardrop there. That's a marquee, I think. A green, a gold, an orange, a silver and a silver. Oh wow. Oh my god, you need to get this. You need to get this, Angela, because you'll love it. It's so gorgeous. Me and Angela love our flowers very dearly, so we're always getting flower ones. Oh, these bloody hiccups. But anyway, if you do want to get this, I mean, this one here, B, that's going to be this one here, so that's a perfect colour for that sort of shade of flower. But yeah, wow. Oh wow. I am so happy with this, and to think I only paid 34p for that. So nice offer from Temu. They keep bombarding me with this £5 offer thing, but I'm not going to accept it because it seems to me you have to spend around £15 to get £5 knocked off, and I don't think that's a very good deal. If you're going to give a £5 discount, then if something's £10, you want that fiver to knock it off before you pay. I don't agree with paying first to then give you a £5 credit. It's just encouraging you more to spend. And if you've got that £15 lock on, if you spend £15 to get £5 off and then you get the credit, I don't know how they do it, but the credit might be put in your account. You've then got to spend another £15 before you can use that if they've locked it. So sometimes it's on and then sometimes it's off. But if you want to get this for yourself, I'll put the link in the description of the video. I do apologise, the whip and chat is running a bit late. This is due to a technical problem that is taking longer than usual to fix. And yeah, it should be up this evening. So yeah, you want to get this for yourself. You never know, you might pay 34p as well, but yeah, 34p for a 30x30 canvas, and just look how beautiful it is. It's just absolutely stunning. Have a wonderful Easter, guys. Take care, and we'll see you very soon for the whip and chat coming up soon. Bye bye for now.